What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
All right. Welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. All right, y'all already know I'm making beef and broccoli, and yes, I'm cheating with the stir-fry sauce. All right, so let's get started. All right, so we got these veggies over here. You see them veggies. All right, and I got that onion from that Misfit box of mine. All right, y'all. So, and got a little bit of this kale that came with that kit too. And yeah, I can see why people can make kale chips out of this. Hey, y'all. Yeah. Alright. Let that saute for a minute. Word. Now this meat is fire. Yeah, you just want to let that saute, y'all. I might add a little bit, few more vegetables up in there. Just a few more vegetables. A few more than bean sprouts. Alright. Y'all hear that Robert Glass sprout? Y'all don't know nothing about Robert Glass in the background. I think that's Robert Glass sprout. I can't wait to go back to see concerts again. It's driving me insane. I don't know about y'all. I need to hear a live band be playing. Alright, y'all. So, okay, again, I'm making a mess. Stir it up. Alright, so. Ooh. Alright. Alright. I'm going to be adding that stir-fry sauce into this, okay? For real. Alright, now we got this coconut ginger rice Vigo. They poured Jasmine. I like this brand. This brand is pretty good. Y'all see that? That's a pretty good brand. I don't know if y'all make sure y'all look. They got Spanish rices and yellow rice and a couple other ones. If you get lucky and you can find them. Alright, snatch them up. They're hitting. That right there is hitting. It actually tastes like it got coconut water in it. You know, again. We always gonna make our own shit. Alright, so you see me stirring that up by itself. Now I'm really excited about this kale because the kale that I got right here came in with that Misfit market packet I got today. Alright, I'm so excited. I'm going to use that. Now I can see why they can make chips too, because I've heard of making kale chips. I can actually see air frying these or baking them and with a little seasoning on them. Alright, I'm gonna try that next time. Right now, like I said, them damn things didn't like they was gonna last very long, so. Alright. We might be ready to put meat now. I mean, not the meat. Alright, y'all. I mean the broth. I'm just gonna let it cook for a little bit. Alright, I got a lot now. I got a lot going on up in this pan. I don't know who I'm trying to feed. It ain't number 3 of us. But you best believe it will get eaten. Let me tell you. Don't nothing go to waste up in this house. Alright? I'm telling you, this meat is fire. Like I said, you got to season it with a little salt and pepper, and that's all you got to do. Season it with a little salt and pepper. That's it. That's all you got to do. Alright, so let that do this thing for a minute. Like that. Now, you know, some of these folks be over there. In them cook shows, you know, they be doing the most, you know. And that's alright. I guess I'm just having a little fun with mine, you know. I'm gonna do me a little live stream. A little fun. It's been a year. Alright, y'all. Let's pause it. Alright. I added that kale up in there, y'all. Alright, so we're gonna get the beef in here too. Alright. First, we're just gonna start out just by pouring that bark up in there. Oh. 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 Alright, now I am gonna put this stir fry up in there, y'all. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there. I'm gonna cheat. I'm cheating. You are cheating, Rochi. What you're cooking, Rochi's cheating. Yes, goddamn right, I'm cheating. Alright, let's go. Ain't nobody got no time. It's Saturday night. I'm just trying to chill out. Ain't nothing wrong with that, though. That's what I call it. That's what you said. Simple and easy, right? Don't I say that? That's what I said. Right? Man, you might need that. You might. I ain't no spiking. I ain't no biting. Yeah. I still ain't get that coconut ginger rice, but we ain't even gonna worry about that because that's not important right now. What's important is this here. Alright. As you see. Okay, this ain't working no more. Alright, that kettle, I think it's gonna punch this up. It's gonna beat it up and punch it. Yeah, look at that, y'all. Please tell the Lord Jesus I'm filming this right now. Okay, Lord, because I was going, whoo, we was gonna be fighting. I don't know who I'm fighting because it ain't nobody but me. Be fighting with myself, I guess. Right. Okay. Oh yeah. See, that's what you're talking about. All right. I probably don't need that. I just need that stuff in. All right. I just want to mix that up. Look at that. Now that is what's happening. Oh, I probably got the shit all out of camera. Yeah, messing around. Alright, there you go. Okay, I'm turned down. No, actually, I'm turning it off. Alright. There you go. Because you still want that crispiness to it with your veggies. Because you don't want to overcook the veggies. Alright. And you know why they sitting in here, they'll be cooking, but they'll still have that crispiness to it. Alright. Oh my god, that's a. Let me see, huh? I think that's about it. Shit. You know what? They ain't nothing wrong with adding these, they call them damn things, bamboo shoots. No, them is, I think, Lord, you know what I'm trying to say. Bean sprouts, god dang it. Y'all over there probably laughing at me and stuff, making me almost cuss. Alright, come on. Cause y'all have no idea. I was cussing, so I think that cow gonna do it. Like I said, look, it's like a spinach or green. Oh man, that's what's up. Alright, I'm gonna chill out. Don't y'all? I done most of that. Y'all see what that's happening now. Let me see. I ain't got no damn chopsticks either. So I'm gonna be over there talking about no damn putting shit in the bowl, making it some chopsticks and shit. Okay? Let's see what it tastes like. Of course, ain't never no damn forks in the drawer. I always got to get the forks myself. All the damn time. Alright, let's see. It looks good though, y'all. It smells good too. I thought I was gonna need that package, but I don't need that because the flavors came through with the meat. And you know what? That meat I had bought on discount, had it out for a couple of days and didn't cook it. I had to do something that was right on point. Yeah. I'm not gonna add nothing else to it. I know I gotta do this damn rice though. Alright, y'all. Misfit box, onions, and the kale. Remember? Alright, y'all. Till then. Bye-bye.
got going on up in the kitchen, Roach? She got some collard greens, some black-eyed peas, fried chicken, pasta, some Italian food, some Mexican food, some Jamaican food. She got some barbecue going on.
So good. What you cooking, Roach?
What you cooking, Roach?